Hey everyone, welcome to the Keep Productive YouTube channel. You are obviously brand new to this channel, which is absolutely awesome, and you've probably sort of gathered what this channel is about by the title. So the Keep Productive YouTube channel is dedicated to going through productivity tools, techniques and resources to help you be more productive in your routine. Now what we do is weekly we find tools and resources that are out there and keep yourself organized, keep yourself working towards your personal goals. What we also do is bring in experts and professionals to talk a little bit more about the technique side of stuff, so that you guys can go away with those tools and that equipped knowledge and really get things done, whatever project you're working on. So if you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit that subscription button and the bell notification. And if you would like as well, you can join the Facebook group. We have a Facebook group with just over 1,000 members, which is amazing. So you can join that community and chat all about the resources and tools you're using and the tips that you've picked up across your week. And also just a thank you from me for dropping by. I am the host here on the Keep Productive YouTube channel. My name is Francesco. You can email me if you have any questions or queries about the apps or anything anytime. Anyway guys, make sure to have a great week, keep productive, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Cheers.